Well, it's February 11th, 2013. It's a little after 2:45 p.m. I've been passing by here every day on my way home from work, and there used to be this whole little gravel lot here was filled just a few days ago with old classic cars, and I've been meaning to stop by and take a look, but I just never got around to throwing the camera in the old car. This old Willis, pretty rare. And if I had to hazard a guess, I'd almost guarantee that this was at that car auction that was just in the town where I live. I think it was early last year. It's on my channel. I mean, it's restorable. It's got some rust, but it's going to for the age. Boy, this whole area was just filled with them. Look at that. If it ain't that the sloppy jalopy. Again, I just about guarantee that this was at that salvage in my town. We got some more stuff to take a look at here. See what else we got. Not much.
It looks like an old Kansas grain hauler.
Yeah.
I bet it's got a hoist under it. It sure does.
Oh, it'll be a great workhorse truck.
Still, some of these old trucks like this up in Kansas sitting around with dumps and stuff on them.
That gentleman just pulled up a moment ago while I was originally videotaping. Original Arkansas plate. Well, I tell you, love this old rusty stuff. There he goes, speeding off in the wild blue yonder. Ain't much left of this but frame. This is the truck that originally caught my eye. I've driven one of these before, years ago, back when I first got my license. These are great trucks when they're all in one piece. And this one's got some potential. It ain't a total loss. Never can tell what you'll find in the back of these old trucks. Well, I sure like to get my hands on this old rig. It looks like it's in not too horrible of shape. I mean, I've driven stuff that looked worse than this, believe you me. Yep. Sure like to get my hands on it. Ain't no motor in it. I can see that right now. There's no motor, no trans, which suits me just fine. That just opens it up. Great thing about them old classics. No motor, no trans, no problem. Put whatever the heck you want in there. No computers to fart with. Back in the day. Boy, I tell you. Built back in the day when cars were built stout. That's the truth. And that glass is busted out. That's still good. That one's still good. And of course you got, you know, rust around the rocker panels, but hell, the thing's, it's older than dirt. I mean, come on. Let's see. No motor. Looks like it's got a trans. No headlights, no grill. Old Ford. Still beautiful in my eyes. Lends itself to a whole host of potential. I tell you, last 2 weeks, this whole lot here, all the way from where that Chevy is to where my Neon is parked out yonder, it was all 2 rows. Cars parked up against the building. Not much left. Only, what, 1, 2, 3, 4.5, 5.5 cars. But that's what you get when you procrastinate. I meant to bring my camera out here for the past 2 weeks now. Could have showed you some of the real cool stuff that was out here. Boy, I tell you what, I don't know about you, but I'd like to have this old truck built like a rock. Well, there's my video. I'll cut it short, get it posted when I can. Thanks for watching.